Hello everyone, meteorologist Andre Brooks here with your tropical update for today, and we are watching an area of interest that is in the east side of Florida at this time, and it's named Invest 93L, and it currently has winds of 25 miles per hour and a pressure of around 10-16 millibars, and it's just right off the southeast coast here. As you can tell on our current satellite imagery right there, we are starting to see a spin in the atmosphere, and this is just going to continue to organize over the next 12 hours or so. And currently the National Hurricane Center is giving this area about a 20% chance of development over the next 48 hours, or a 30% chance in the next 7 days. And this is something that we're going to be watching very closely. And the models are having a hard time grasping on the development of the system because of how small it is. So we're going to be watching this very carefully. And at the very least, it's going to be giving portions of the Gulf Coast heavy rainfall and some high surf at times. But looking at my personal threat meter for this system, we are thinking a medium threat in the central portions of Florida. But then as you get further away from the central portions of Florida, that threat starts to lessen up. But as you can tell, in the central Gulf Coast, including the Louisiana, southeast Louisiana Gulf Coast, and into Alabama and Mississippi, in the northwestern portion of Florida, I'm expecting a medium threat level with the rainfall moving in, and a low threat level for the southwestern portion of Louisiana. But again, there could be some changes ongoing over the next 24 hours, and I'll continue to keep you posted on that. And as I said before, rainfall will be the primary factor here with this system, and we are thinking about 4 inches of rainfall plus for the southeastern Louisiana coast and into the coastal Mississippi area, and also into the portions of central Florida. And it starts getting less and less as we get further away from the coast, around 1 to 2 inches overall for the extreme southeastern portions of the country. So we're going to be watching this very closely over the next few days. And if this were to develop, this would get the name Dexter if it becomes a tropical storm. At the very least, we are thinking this at least to become a tropical depression, maybe sometime this time tomorrow. So we're going to be watching things very closely, and I'll continue to keep you posted here. Everyone have a great rest of your day.